Hey guys, Daniel, BTR Outfitters. We're just gonna jump right in. This is gonna be a very short clip. We've done toolboxes, we've showed you flatbeds. I mean, we've kind of covered a lot of storage opportunities. One thing a lot of people don't think, this could be a mom, worker, I mean, just your everyday person that owns a truck. You need to be able to store things inside your truck and still have them secure. So today we're going to do a video over a underseat storage for the back seat of a crew cab truck. They do make them for a few different models. There's a few different brands out there. Today we're going to do one on Weston. I'm going to flip us around, let us get in here, and we're going to check this drawer storage out. Alright guys, so today we are working with a 21 Chevy crew cab pickup. So your underseat storage normally has the little ugly carpet thing, and I say ugly, whatever you want to call it, but it doesn't really hold much. It's definitely not secure. You flip your seat up, and once the seat's flipped up, you have full access. Well, this little guy is a game changer. So this drawer is made out of heavy duty steel. I just installed it. I don't have anything in it yet. It does have dual keys. So you have a key on this side and a lock. There's a key on the other side and a lock. Heavy duty lock system as well. So this drawer is actually on, this drawer is on roller bearings. So it's not just your everyday slide. Look at that, guys. So this bad boy stretches out, and here's the nice thing. I can stick my hand and touch the other side. So there's no dead space, but the drawer also goes out the same distance on the driver's side as well. Comes with some plastic dividers. These can be ordered for extras. They just snap into these pre-drilled spots. Like I said, I haven't done anything with this drawer other than install it. So with all the construction, durability, once you get things in it, it will quiet down. But those slides, guys, I don't know if y'all can hear it. Super quiet. It also comes with a plastic liner in the bottom of it. You can pull that liner out, run it in, turn that, turn your key, you're locked. You cannot open that drawer without some serious effort. Now, with that being said though, guys, a lock is to keep an honest person honest, in my opinion. If somebody wants in something bad enough, they're gonna get in it, but the nice part about it is they're gonna draw a lot of attention to themselves trying to get in this bad boy. Another nice feature is your jack can stay in its factory location, as well as your tire tools, they stay in their location, and you still have all of this storage space behind. Bulky blanket, jacket, whatever you may want to stick behind this thing. This is the front side of it. When your seats are down, look at that bad boy. Tucks up right to the edge of the seat. This actually, guys, fills an area that normally is just dead, wasted space. So this drawer is super beneficial for that. I am going to walk around to the driver's side and just give y'all a quick glimpse on that side as well. Alright, so here's the driver's side. Here again, unlock, slide it out. Up underneath. So this drawer is going to come in here again, guys. Y'all know me, I'm not going to give y'all an exact price. But this drawer is going to come in right at about the 350, 375 range. I mean, for what you get, in my opinion, highly worth it. I personally, guys, y'all seen this truck a million times. This is my personal vehicle. I personally just purchased that. I'm a hunter. There's other hunters in the world that always want to secure firearms, not only for the purpose of theft, but also the purpose of safety, guys. I have littles. I don't want them to be able to get a hold of something and do something that is going to cause serious problems or serious injuries. So here again, I am going to use that for my deer rifle or my shotguns. I am discussing things on how to make holders, but once it's in there and it's secured and locked, I don't have to stress over it, guys. Another nice feature is, unless you open the door and see that with the doors closed, just looking from the front seat back, you don't know that's under there. So with that being said, I'm gonna give you another look from this side now that the sun's not blinding us. All right, flip you around here. So guys, with all that being said, tool storage, soccer mom storage, whatever you want to call it, it is a secure, lockable steel vault that is going to deter theft. It's going to help with security, safety in my situation. Sorry, let me get y'all out of the sun. Here again, it's the Weston under the seat storage, lockable storage. So told you it was going to be a short video. Give us a shout. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, leave a question. We'll get back to you with everything. And if y'all want to see a video over something truck accessory wise, camping wise, if it's something I can do, I'll definitely do it. Yeah, for now, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.